Hello and welcome to Willand PE, week 11, lesson 2. I'm here with Jack.
Hi.
Anya.
Hi.
And Asa.
Hi.
And today we're getting physical by lifting some weights. So everybody's got their water bottle. If you get your water bottles. Alright. Now remember, if you can carry a water bottle, you're lifting a weight. So Asa, how much water's in that water bottle?
2 litres.
2 litres? So how much does 2 litres weigh?
2 kilograms.
2 kilograms. You two are geniuses. Well done. Right, mine's only 1 litre, so it's only 1 kilo. And Jack, what's yours?
Half a litre.
Half a litre, so it's only half a kilo. So remember, the smaller the water bottle, the lighter the weight. But if you can carry that around, we can go. You ready to get physical?
Yeah.
All right, so Asa's already started off on what he thinks is next. So show us what you just did there. All right, we never ever do bicep curls at our club, but we're going to do it just to keep Asa happy. Go on then. All right, there we go. So you can do some of these. You happy now? Look at that smile on his face. Right. What we're really doing today is we're going to practice lifting things from the floor and above our heads. So can you lift that above your head? Whoa, I haven't shown you how. Just lift it above your head. You managing that?
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got to make sure the lid's on. Okay, so the lid's on there. So, Anya said it's easy. But we're going to make this a bit more interesting now. I'm going to do it one-handed, and so is Jack. I think you might, and you can. They are immensely strong, these children. All right, at Willand School. So what we're going to do is going to walk up here and back, keeping our distance. And this is called a waiter's carry. All right, we'll switch hands. Okay, so you know waiters in a restaurant, they used to carry things, they used to carry it really up here. All right, normally they carry it down here. Okay, good. All right, so that's it. Now, when we lift, we'll put it down carefully like this. So, if you watch, what part of my body do I use to lift up there?
You do your hands and your knees, and then you lift it up with your
I did a squat, yeah? So what part of the body is doing a lot of the work there?
legs.
Legs. That's right. Let's try that now. So let's bend down, pick up, and stand up like that. So we do that 10 times. Okay, you do that 10 times so I can watch. Good. Yeah. All right. And as you can see from these pupils here, they can all squat really well. Very good. That's right. So all of them have done gymnastics at Willand School with me. Yeah, well done. Okay, good. Okay, so now, your legs all right there? Don't puff like an old man there, Asa. All right, so then what we can do is we bend down, pick it up, lift it above our head. Bend down, pick it up, keep it close to your body, and lift it above your head. Okay? Right. Now, Jack's doing it one-handed because he's got a light weight.
I'm doing it 2 fingers.
Oh, 2 fingers, right. But don't try that because I want you dropping. I don't want you dropping the weight on your head. So you make sure you've got a good grip. Do it with 2 hands, you two. Okay, good. Yeah, keep your heels down. So these are your heels. So you want to keep your feet flat as you go down and then stand up. Yeah, try that again. Get your heels down. Have your feet slightly wider apart, Anya. That's it, good girl. That's it, well done. Oh. And now Asa's now exploring and experimenting, and so is Jack, by going wider, which you can do, and the wider the squat, oh, my old legs can't do that, the more difficult it is, yeah? Now it's just started to rain, but we're going to not let that stop play. Right, shake off.
Should I get my coat?
No, you don't need your coat. Right, okay, right. Although I have seen some other schools playing Willand School at football, and those other schools told their children to put coats on. It was quite funny, but the Willand School kids didn't because they're enough. So now, we've done a waiter's carry, which was above the head. Now see if you can hold it down by your side here like this. Can you hold that in one hand? Okay, this is called, and we live in Devon. Do you know what this is called? No, it's called a farmer's carry. It's called a farmer's carry or farmer's walk. Yeah, so we can like holding a fork, or more like carrying a lamb or something. You could carry a lamb or a piglet.
Can I hold it like this because it might slip?
You can hold it like that if it makes slip. Yeah. What we're doing, don't do that, Jack. What we're doing now, okay, this is working on our strength, and because you know it's a bit lopsided. So now try, if you can hold one in each hand, if you borrow your sister's. Now they're brother and sister, so they can share the water bottles, right? So we're not breaking any laws. Okay, now try Asa. Right, Jack, you use mine. That's it. There we go. Now parents, you'll be especially pleased that this is helping them practice carrying the shopping in. All right, and then Asa, you put that down, and then you pick it up, and Jack, put it down and up, put it down, and I'll pick it up. Okay? So then I'll walk with Anya. Okay? So you can have little relays going. There we go. All right, we're not racing because you don't want to race with weights. No, it's not a good idea. That's right. What have you just done there? That's it. So we don't want to race with weights. There we go. And now, oh, that's it. And so you just got to be careful how you put them down. Yeah, okay. Now you can pick them up, all right, and carry them above your head or put them on your shoulders. Go on, Jack. Okay, pick your ours up.
It's less than 2 meters away.
Okay, it's less than 2 meters. Okay, good. Yeah, go on then. Put them on your shoulders or above your head. So Jack's got the lighter weight and his hands are slightly bigger as well. Yeah. Okay, right. Okay, and just be careful. Right. So just be careful when you put them down. Okay, stop there. All right. So next one then. So there's some ideas. You can do walks with the weights, and again, the lighter weight, they can do lots of movements with them, and it allows them. Next one we're going to do is we're going to put our bottoms on the floor with the weight. So I'm going to push the weight up as far. Wait, watch me first. Watch me first. Put the weight above my head. Okay. I'm going to put my bottom on the floor. Stand up. Getting windy now. Okay, then I can switch hands. Put my bottom on the floor.
That must be hard.
And stand up. Well, it's not hard, Anya, because it's a light weight, all right? So you can have a lighter weight if you want.
I want to do 2.
No, just do one at a time, Asa. Okay, right, go on then. Keep the weight above your head. Yes, above your head. Whoa. Okay, now. Swap hands, good. He's down, Asa's down.
Harder than just carrying it normally.
It is harder than carrying it normally, but you noticed it wasn't the first thing we did, Anya. We warmed up and checked it out. You can't get up? All right, you can't get up? That's because you're laughing too much, Asa.
Can I do it somewhere?
Yes, so Jack, you can go. So then, again, for Jack here now. So how could you make that lighter, Asa? You could drink some of the water. That'll make it lighter. So you two take a drink now. All right, while they're doing that, and Jack's going to do so Jack's got a dumbbell, so don't be frightened, as I said before, you two take a drink, that's a 2 kilos, there's no difference between a 2 kilo water bottle and a 2 kilo dumbbell, except price, I know. So once your child is strong enough to do that, then you can gradually lift a little bit more, but obviously take time. Okay, Jack? All right, so Jack's doing a heavier weight. Oh. Good. Have you lightened that a bit?
Yep.
Okay, good. So now try it now. Now you've had a drink, so that's lighten the weight.
Yep.
Okay, go.
Make us do tight.
That's it, yeah. Okay. And stop there. Okay, weights down. Remember, we're all watching this on video. Okay, stand up now. Right, well done. Okay, stand up. So that might be a bit heavier, so that one's the hardest exercise to do. So you would have a smaller water bottle for that one, wouldn't you? Yeah, so well done. Okay, right, shake off. Okay, right, now what we're going to do, okay, we're going to do what we did before, which was, is lifting from the floor, above the head, and then you're going to lunge. Okay, so I'll demonstrate that from the side so you can see. So you're going to pick up from the floor. Bring it to your chest, above your head. I'll move back so I don't. And then, but this time, I'm going to lunge backwards. Okay, yeah, all right. So just try that. Make sure each time you pick it up from the floor, and how bent are your legs there, Asa? They were straight, weren't they? So that's how you get hurt when you lift with straight legs. So make sure you bend. Okay, right. Let's have a look then. No one's paying good money to watch these videos to watch you drink, Asa. Come on, let's go. And yeah, let's try. Lift it above your head. Legs bent. Lunge. Good girl. That's it. And yep, and then down. Bend your legs as you put down, okay? So as you just put as you bend down, so you're good at picking up the weight, but really important that you put the weight down with your legs as well. Okay? Try again. Asa, I haven't seen you do anything yet. Come on. Jack, be careful how you put the weight down. That's it. And remember, we're lunging. Yeah. Try and get the weight above your head. And yeah, and then try. So let's reiterate. Let's Jack demonstrate here. Okay, so you two watch and copy what Jack's doing. Right, you ready? Let's do it together. You ready? So weight down. Okay, lift the weight up. Weight above your head. Lunge forward. Other forward, Jack. Okay, weight down. Weight down. Bend your legs. Weight up. Above your head. Lunge forward. Do lunge forward. Okay, then weight down. Bend your legs. Lift weight up. Above your head. Lunge backwards. And then down. That's harder, isn't it? So weight down. Lift the weight up. Above your head. Weight back. Weight down. Where's the weight gone? Okay, then weight up. And yeah, weight up. Above your head. Lunge sideways. And back down. Sorry, and last one. Lift the weight up. Above your head. Lunge the other way. I'll lunge this way so I don't come close to you. That's it. Good. Okay, and weights down. And as you saw then, you can make it harder. Jack demonstrated with one hand. Go. So you can lift up a weight with one hand. That makes it harder. Go. Lunge. Wait a second. Wait a second. That's it. Good. Okay. Then you can make it slightly easier by having the weight at your chest, and you demonstrate that one. Bend your legs to pick it up. Bend your legs to pick it up. Bend. That's it. Lift at your chest and lunge. Lunge. Lunge is going forward. That's it. There we go, and come back. So a bit easier there. And Asa made it easier completely because he was doing it without weight. So just do the same exercise without weight. Lunge and lunge. Lunge. There we go. So then we have the different variations for you. Okay, so remember we did some carrying up here, down there. We did a relay. We picked it up. Asa did some bicep curls at the beginning. And then we just showed some different variations with lunges. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Say goodbye to the pupils.
Bye.
Thank you.